What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be building the Winnie the Pooh Lego Ideas set. This one's slightly over 1,000 pieces, fun little set. It has quite a few exclusive minifigs for Winnie the Pooh, so that should be pretty fun. If you guys aren't already subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, join our community here. I post polls all the time, we talk in the comments, we have a good time, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and join us in this community, and let's make Brick Nerds a community we all want to be in. So let's go ahead and get this built. Alright guys, and here's our finished set. As you can see, we've got almost all of our favorite Winnie the Pooh characters here. We got Pooh, Rabbit, Piglet, Tigger, and the Eeyore. So, pretty cool set. Got a little 100-acre wood sign here. Back here, hold on, I got it hidden behind everyone. We got the Winnie the Pooh book. You can open it up. Piglet's holding his little balloon. Get him back on the stand. We got in the trees, there's honeybees, and you can spin them. So that's pretty cool. And we go to the back. This is the house right here. We can open it up actually. So we can do first. We got some foliage and whatnot going on here. We got our chimney. We can open it up. We got hidden little honey pots all over the place. But overall, really cool set. Fun little Easter eggs inside this one. And from the front view, it is really pretty. So, really fun set. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Like I said earlier, we have a really fun community here. We like to be interactive. So you guys can always tell me what sets you want to see in the future. And I'll do my best to get anything that you guys ask for. So just hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next build.